Here's TikTok Now app, and let's go through it very quickly to know how to use it. Basically, TikTok Now it's a copy of Be Real, another viral social media app which helps you to create and share authentic moments through photos and videos. You create an account in TikTok Now just by logging in with your TikTok account. And for example, I have TikTok, and I just tap on Now tab here in the bottom left, and then I just need to open app, log in here through my TikTok account. Then after doing that, you will receive one notification per day where you need to post a picture of yourself, and you have 3 minutes to do it. So it's very limited in time, and you can only post one image per day. Let's do it. So imagine I just received notification. I can tap post to view. Here's how it looks like. In the top, you will see the timer, like 3 minutes. Then I can change the direction of the camera. In fact, the TikTok now takes photo of 2 cameras, front and back camera. And then, but you see only one. You can see here some flashlight. You can zoom in, zoom out. So, okay, let's just do it. And then also in the top right, you can tap to retake if you don't like it. Also here, you can just change privacy. So friends, these are followers, your TikTok followers who you also follow back. These are your friends on TikTok now. And then also you have everyone tab. Means that everyone can see it, but this feed is not TikTok feed, it's a separate TikTok Now feed. And your TikTok Now will appear as covered if viewers are not your friends or they haven't posted now. So that's that, and then just tap OK, and your TikTok Now is posted. So there you have it. Now it's here. It says now 20 hours late. What does it mean? Basically means that I have posted it without notification, and I just posted like 20 hours after TikTok Now notification. Then I can tap explore, where I can see TikTok Now from other users. As you can see, it's very authentic. It's not like Instagram showing you like a perfect lifestyle somewhere, perfect cars. It's just people sharing their moments at work, at home, watching TV, because you only have 3 minutes and you never know when TikTok Now notification is gonna arrive. So you're just sharing your authentic moments with your close friends. That's the whole difference from Instagram or like Facebook, where very often it's just a lot of fake and unrealistic pictures. So here, and then you can just interact with it, you can like it, you can then add friends. So these are basically TikTok profiles which you can search for and add them. In the friends tab, you will be able to see who posted today. Then you have your profile in bottom right, and here are some other interesting feature where you just have memories, also similar to Be Real. So memories is your private archive, because TikTok Now posts are not saved. They are just, they disappear after 24 hours. So if you tap here on the photo, you will see these photos. If you tap on 3 dots in top right, actually from here you can delete your own TikTok Now. You can download it, and then what's interesting, you can change privacy of your TikTok Now after posting. So if you only post it to your friends, you can change it to everyone, and vice versa. Because for example, you posted some image, and then you're like, I don't want everyone to see it, I just want for my friends to see it. And that's very important because it's very like privacy based, authentic app. And then you can also in the bottom tab allow comments or not. You can also delete or download it. So that's what you can do from here. Then there are some additional settings in the top right. Here you can manage your TikTok account, but careful, it's not your TikTok Now account, it's your TikTok account. So if you delete account, you delete the whole TikTok. You can clear cache, and then you have some community guidelines. I guess it's the same relates as on TikTok. And yeah, hope that is helpful.